Assalamualaikum class. Our today's lecture is about threading. As we started in the lecture 5 or previous lecture, we are going to code of that lecture today. We will do the code of the threading. First of all, in this demo of the thread, we will use these three threads to demonstrate how to use it. First of all, go to the Gradle and check if require any additional library, as we can see all are pre-created libraries that are created when a project is created. Okay, so it doesn't require any additional library. Here all the libraries are created. We are just saying that there is no need to create any new library. Okay, now we came to the manifest, as we will download an image from Islamic University website. It covered, for example, it cover photo, so it will requires to additional permission, that is access internet and storage permission, in order to store the image on the device. So we can do this by going to activity main XML file and see we have created 3 text boxes for 3 threads. Okay, you are seeing here that in activity main we created 3 text boxes and 3 threads. So we click on the text box thread and thread will be executed. Now we are on the main activity page. In it, the function of thread is shown here. Okay, in it what it will call thread.start. This function thread will call thread.start and it will execute a Kotlin.run and execute this Kotlin.run and run on UI thread, and this ad shows toast background. Okay, it's a simple thread background example. Now the function handler or the fun handler method, this fun handler method, it handled in it we have the handler dot post delay or toast dot make text, and this and in it we are writing handler thread after 4-second delay, and toast dot length long is showing this. We can click on that handler on UI. It will show toast after 4 seconds, that is 4000 is 4 seconds. It takes time in millisecond, as is taking time in milliseconds, so we mentioned 4000. Actually it is 4 seconds. Now at the end of asynchronous, go to the asynchronous, this slide, all the code is mentioned in it. Download image, execute function. Here the download image, in it the URL is mentioned, that if a synchronous task class that takes Islamic University banner URL and download it, we are getting image in the background as a bitmap. By making a network request in the bitmap, the image will be downloaded, and by calling our java.net.url open streaming, and it automatically calls on post execute and provide bitmap, where we can we convert the image into a stream of data and insert it in a image view. Now we'll run the code and you see the output in APK file and code is added to your files. Okay. This is all about today's lecture, and if you have any queries,